Hello guys, this is TechSpace back with another video. Guys, in today's video we are going to do the unboxing of a car charger for your car. So this is the company of this car charger is Ambrane, and this is a fast charger. And without any further ado, let's unbox this package. You can see the name of the company here. So this is the package. As you can see, it says Ambrane, and when you're going to the side, you can see this is the India's largest mobile accessory brand, and on the back side you can see the color of the product, and there is some other specifications like warranty and the weight and something like that. And let's unbox this and see how the charger looks like. It's made in India. So guys, this is a seal of the package, and it is not broken, as you can see. So I'm opening it for the first time. Guys, finally we have opened the package, and as you can see, this is the main thing which we plug into the car, and so it looks pretty premium. It is black in color, and if you are looking closer, then you can see that there is some writings on the product, as you can see over here. And it says that the first output is 5 volt and 2.4 ampere, and second one is actually 6 to 5 volt and 3 ampere. So the first one is 4 ampere and the second one is 3 ampere. As you can see, the orange one is fast, and the black one is a little bit slow. And they also provided a charging cable which also supports fast charging. And the only issue with this is this only supports micro USB connection. So the cable with the package is offering micro USB connection. So if you have a Type C phone, then you have to buy another cable. And there is a lot of products of this company too. And there is also a thank you, and they are also saying that you need to give a feedback. So I haven't used it. This is the unboxing video, so I don't know how it works. So after using only I can give a review. So guys, I'm not sure that whether I will make a video of it or not, but by the looks of it, I think this is pretty cool and pretty functional. And that's it, guys. And this is TechSpace signing out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.